SAANS filter change. First, make sure to keep the SAANS device on a flat table and switched off with its backside facing you. The grey circular component you see at the top right corner is the filter. Gently rotate this in anti-clockwise direction to get access to the filters. Remove the existing filters from the component. You must also have received a packet with the device that contains the replacement filters, a black and a white one. Open filter package. First place the pollen filter or the black filter in the cavity followed by the antiviral or the white filter. Carefully place the filter by aligning the protruded part in the filter to the cavity in the device. Rotate it clockwise to lock the filter in place. Your SAANS device filter change is now complete. Please feel free to contact InnAccel at info@innaccel.com or +91 804092 3864 for any assistance.